Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Whop.com, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Whop account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Whop account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Whop is a popular marketplace to build a community, or even if you're just learning about making money, you can join a community. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Whop.com website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up the website, and this is the home screen that shows you various communities you can join. However, if you want to go ahead and sign up and create your own account, you're going to click down here on the bottom left, sign up in purple. Okay, next it asks you to sign into Whop. However, today we're going to go ahead and create a Whop account. So click right here, create an account. All right, next you want to go ahead and enter in your email address, or you can use your Discord, Google, Twitter, or Apple to log in. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use my email. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and now my account has been created. As you can see right here, my username has changed. So I can go ahead and start joining different communities in Whop. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Whop account, it's that easy. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.